Today, I am going to show you how to set up Dark Tunnel VPN using V2RAY settings, and we will get our server directly from the SSH Tunnel website. This gives you a fast and reliable way to browse privately using just one app and one source. So let's get right into it. If this helps you, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. To begin, open any browser on your device and search for SSH Tunnel. Then tap on the official website from the results to visit the homepage. Once you land on the homepage, you will see a menu at the top showing different server locations. Tap on whichever location you prefer, and you will be taken to the next page. On the next page, choose a specific server within that location by tapping the Choose Server button. Now enter a username and password, and complete the CAPTCHA to verify you are not a bot. Once that is done, tap the Create button, and within a few seconds, your personal server will be generated. Make sure to copy every detail of this server, including the username, password, IP address, and port, since you will need it in the next step. Now let's move over to Dark Tunnel. If you do not already have the app installed, go back to your home screen, open the Play Store, search for Dark Tunnel VPN, and install it. Once it is installed, launch the app and you will land on its home screen. Since we are using V2RAY settings, tap on the three dots in the corner of the app to open the menu. From there, tap on Config, then tap on Import, and finally select Clipboard, since your server details from the SSH Tunnel website should already be copied. The app will automatically pull in the server you just copied. Once it is imported, you can fine-tune a few settings, such as entering a valid SNI value and adjusting any other V2RAY options as needed. When everything looks good, tap the Connect button, and your secure browsing session will begin. And that is everything you need to set up Dark Tunnel using V2RAY settings with a server straight from the SSH Tunnel website. It is a quick and simple way to browse with extra privacy and security. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you have questions, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.